The school just informed me that we need to do an actual bulletin for the school right now. So while you guys are building this, I'm just gonna go film that really quick. Oh, hello there. You guys aren't supposed to see this. That's awkward. Let's take this somewhere else.
That's better. Good morning, Granite Bay. Welcome to your 2018-2019 school year. I'm Joseph Fernero, and if you guys haven't noticed yet, there's a lot of changes going on here at Granite Bay, such as parking. Right now, while construction is going on to put solar panels in our parking lot, only seniors are allowed to park in the parking lot. And the staff was kind enough to move into the back parking lot, which means juniors, unfortunately, you guys gotta park elsewhere. Seniors, haven't done your senior photos yet? Better get on it. Call this number now, 916-749-1026, or just go to the website, billsmithphotography.com. All photos are due November 1st. Interested in the California Scholarship Federation? Pick up your application now in room 923, or use this link right here. I'll give you guys a sec. You guys done now? Okay, cool. Make sure to bring your latest grades with you and $10 and your application to Mr. Handling's room in room 923.
ACT and SAT prep workshops are available now. Make sure to sign up as soon as possible because those fill up fast. They're both offered on and off of our campus. Want to learn more? Come to your College Career Center here at the library. Tucked away in the small corner, alone, in the back. Never heard of it?
Work permits. If you have one, it's now expired. That means that it's time to get a new one. And you can come into the library at any time between 7:15 and 3:30 to pick up a new one. It looks something like this. Also, the College and Career Center is very good for college prepping, so if you have any questions about college apps or just college in general, make sure to stop by here as well. Never taken a SAT before? Or don't even know what it is? Well, you're in luck. The practice SAT is coming up on October 24th. Make sure to go and get a little bit of a taste of what it's like to take an actual SAT. Also, if you haven't picked up your 2018 spring PSATs, they're available now in the College and Career Center. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this bulletin almost over? Yes, yes it is. Our final announcement for today, colleges. Are you interested? Maybe, maybe not. Well, let's take a look at a few that are going to be visiting our beautiful campus. It's a lot going on. Oh, it's still coming. Oh, okay, it's done now. Well, that's all we have for you today, Grizzlies. Have a great day, Granite Bay.